Welcome to GCXpo 2024, an epic Canadian smart mobility demonstration day. Take a look at the folks just getting off the shuttle bus. They're just coming in. Things are just getting started here. We have expected over 1,000 attendees, okay, for today. Let me tell you what's going to happen today. This is so exciting. GCXpo 2024 happening right here at Area X.O. So what this area is, it's fantastic. You see the cornfields? Okay, there's plenty more going on than the corn growing, but it's pretty impressive. What I have also behind me here, okay, you notice that right here? Okay, so this is Haggerty Robotics. It's coming in from Bothwell, Ontario, and they're doing a little bit of testing right now. Going to be interviewing them in a little while here, because what we're going to feature here today, let me just run it down for you, okay? We got companies large and small from Canada's capital and indeed around the country, over 70 companies, innovators, entrepreneurs, and small business owners, demonstrators, and exhibits. So what's going to happen is they're going to come in for Area X.O. They're going to showcase their connected and autonomous vehicles, drones, smart city solutions, robotic technology, agri-tech innovations, and a whole lot more. And on top of that, yeah, the sun just peeked through the clouds. It's been raining all night into the morning. And of course, wouldn't you know it, the start of GCXpo, we've got the sun coming out. We're in for an entire day here of taking a look at some incredible innovation, finding out about the research and the work that goes into this great technology from different companies, different sectors. Really, it's really impressive when you see what Canadians, the innovation and the work that they've put in to all these different sectors. It's so impressive. We're going to be on this all day long. We're going to be coming to you live from Area X.O. Like I said, this is GCXpo 2024. You are welcome. You are welcome to explore with us. My name is Rosey Edeh, and I'm going to be talking to some of the smartest minds here in the country. And again, the sectors, you know, we're talking about robotics, we're talking about autonomous vehicles, smart vehicles, agri-technology, robotics. It's going to be a blast, and we're really glad that you can be with us today, all right? So just sit back, enjoy. There's a whole lot to learn, a whole lot to take in. We're going to get this party started now.